Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be a what I eat in a day video. I've never done one of these before, but I always like watching them just to get ideas of what to eat on a vegan diet because sometimes after 5 years of being vegan, I still just don't know what to eat sometimes, so thought it might be helpful. I didn't actually record myself eating the food. I just kind of took a video real quick before I ate each meal, and then I'm going to do a voiceover describing what I ate. So let's go. Okay, so first I have my black coffee with almond milk. I drink it like this every day. I don't ever put anything else in my coffee. And then for breakfast, I had a smoothie. And the smoothie looks pretty small, but this was actually only half of it. I used a smaller jar than I would normally use. So I have a frozen banana, some spinach, almond milk, peanut butter, cacao powder, the Vega 1 protein powder, I think that's what it's called, flax seeds, and I think that's it. For dinner, I made this Trader Joe's Kung Pao tempura cauliflower. It's pretty good. I had it with some white rice, some avocado, and green onions. I didn't use very much of the sauce that comes with it because it is pretty spicy, and I don't really like really spicy stuff. After dinner, I had a few squares of this Simple Truth organic dark chocolate. It's nothing special, but I'm a big fan of dark chocolate, so. A couple hours later, I made this little yogurt bowl with this dairy-free yogurt, some granola, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, cacao nibs, and then I actually added some goji berries on there too. Okay, and the last meal of the day was this spaghetti that I made at 1 in the morning after trying to go to bed, and I was hungry and I couldn't sleep. So I got up, I made some pasta with this roasted garlic tomato sauce, some spinach, and some vegan parmesan on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.